Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss about the Python string indexes. Okay. So, like many other popular programming languages, strings in Python are arrays of Unicode characters. Square brackets can be used to access elements of the string. Okay. So, what exactly it is saying? So, basically, let's declare a variable. Let's do message equals to hello. Okay. So basically, if we want to access the individual characters of the string, what we can do something like this. So print, and let's do message and open up the square brackets. And here we can add a index. So basically we have to add the index of the character, which we want to access here. Okay. Now you might be thinking like, hey, it starts from 1, but no. The indexing in Python or in many other programming languages starts with 0. So if we want to access the h here, so we can pass 0 here. Okay. If I just save that and run the program, as you can see, we are getting h. Okay. Then we can do 1, save that, run the program, we are getting E, and so on and so forth. So what we can do here, so if I just go here, okay, all right. So let's add a comment. For H it is 0, for E it is 1, then 2, 3, 4, and that is it basically. So HELLO. Okay. So if I just do something like 4 and run the program, okay, so it is getting formatted. So if I just run the program, as you can see, we are getting O here, so which is the last character. Now if we want to get the last character, we can do something like -1 as well. It will return us the last character of a string. Once again, we are getting O. Okay, so it will start from this one. So this is -1, then -2, then -3, -4, and then -5. So if we want to have the h, so we have to do -5 here. If I run the program, as you can see, we are getting h here. Okay. So this is how the strings are indexed and how we can access individual characters from a string. Okay. So if I just get rid of this one, so this is how we can access the individual characters. So 0, if I just do that, as you can see, we are getting h here. So this is the string indexing and how we can access the individual characters of a string. Now, one other thing which I want to point out here is that we are having another function, which is the length function. So if I just wrap up the len, and then inside of that we will have the message. So what will happen, this len function will return us the length of the string. If I just run the program, as you can see, we are getting 5 because this string has the 5 characters. So if I just do hello world, hit save and run the program, as you can see, we are getting 11 characters right now. So what exactly is happening? So this is the first character. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. And please note down here, this len method here, this len function counts the spaces as well. Okay. So it includes the spaces inside of the string. So if I just run the program once again, we are getting 11 here. Okay, awesome. So this is the Python string indexes and the len function of the strings.